Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. LAN, WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You can see here Wi-Fi Intel Wi-Fi driver. Click to download it. I already it is done, and just open from the download and double click to exe. This is exe. You can see. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. It's wait few seconds. Right now it is this is actually installing. You can see in the background. Okay, it automatically close means this is installed.